Hello and welcome to a new stroll through a Japanese garden in Tokyo. I'm Annika, I am your garden guide in Tokyo and around, and today I'm showing you Shinjuku Gyoen. It's one day before Christmas, German time. It's the 23rd of December. And we start to have winter weather, typical Tokyo winter weather, with blue sky, sun is shining, but it's also a little bit windy. So, especially in January, we can have very strong and cold winds, but the sun is very nice. I decided to take a route towards the Japanese garden that is a little bit off track. Let's have a look at the map. Here is the entrance, and we are taking this route here to the Japanese garden. The main tourist season is over because the autumn colors, the autumn leaf change has come to an end mostly. And January, February is always very calm. You can see that the camellia is already flowering. Winter is their season. There's not so much else. We are now entering a special area here in Shinjuku Gyoen. It looks almost like a wild forest, and it's here to preserve the original plants that grew here before Tokyo became westernized. I really like the forest, so this is one of my favorite parts in Shinjuku Gyoen. And we are already at the exit and therefore almost at the Japanese garden. And here we are. And Shinjuku Gyoen belonged to the emperor and was used by the emperor. It still belongs to the imperial household agency, is managed by them, but it's probably under the environmental governance. Difficult situation. But when the park was still used by the emperor, in this area he had duck hunting ponds and fishing ponds. It was later remodeled into a more Japanese style garden. over there in the back is a tea house, and it often has different collaborations with different sweet producers, or you can try on a kimono and walk through the garden, or making photos in the garden of the tea house. Always worth to check out what the tea house has during your visit. And this was the central part of the Japanese garden in Shinjuku Gyoen. I hope you liked to see how it looks like in winter. And if you liked it, I hope you will also watch our other videos of other gardens in all the seasons. See you then. Bye.